Hi everyone, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. These are the gorgeous polishes that I'll be using for this mani today. This is week number 8 of the 52-week nail challenge that I do on Instagram. So let's get into it. I started with clean dry nails with a peel off base coat as usual, and I am just going to apply 2 coats of both polishes. This theme was your favorite polish. And I have to be honest with you, it was tough for me because whatever polish I'm wearing at the time is my favorite polish. But I do kind of lean more toward purples and lavenders, so I did want to just choose this because I do love this polish. This one is from Tootsie Turtle and it is gorgeous. I will have all the products for you in the description box below as usual. Now once those polishes dry, I didn't put on a top coat, I just went right into some simple nail art. All I did was just put a little bit of polish on a lid there, use my striping brush that I purchased at my local art center. Just a very generic brush. It was a liner brush. It came in a pack of 3. I think it was less than $3, I think. And I'm just going to put some lines on my nails. Now, if you are very good at this, you can go crazy. I am not, so I have a hard time getting my lines straight. Even when I stamp them, I have a hard time getting them straight. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but when I figure it out, I'll let you know. So all the lines that I do will always be vertical, straight up and down, and horizontal at an angle. And I do get them to come out quickly. You just have to brace your hand on something so that you're not all shaky. If you guys go back a little bit in the video where I start putting the striping on, you'll see my index finger, the one I'm doing now, had a different design on it. That's because it had a horizontal line on it and it was awful. I had to take it off and start over again. So if you want a little bit of a giggle, go back and take a look at that because it was really bad. Once I get these lines down, I take just the tip of the brush and I put some alternating dots on either side of the line. Just something simple, just a little bit of interest. I really don't want to distract from the beautiful polishes that I used. And that's this one done. What I'm going to do now is let everything dry, do a little bit of cleanup, and then put on a generous coat of Seche Vite. This is my fast drying top coat, and it gives a really glossy, beautiful finish and really finishes off your mani nicely. Well, that's this one done. I have a couple of photos coming up for you at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, just leave a comment in the box below. I love hearing from you, and I do try to answer as quickly as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great weekend. If this is your first time watching and you like what you see, click the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. And the bell icon will notify you when I upload a video, and that's once a week. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.